Hello guys, today I shall talk about the newspaper theme and how you can make money from your website. I will talk about this. So let's have a look at the theme. So this is the newspaper theme for the bloggers and the article writers, or what you can say, the people who really want to make passive income. So this is the theme and this is the updated version. You can see newspaper 9, number 1 selling blog magazine and news theme of all time. So if I click here view all demos, you can see this is all the demos are there. So today I shall show you how you can start generate your income by doing blogging, and how you can choose your own template. So if I choose this one, suppose the live news, or at first before you start making money, you have to choose your niche in which you are expert. Suppose you are expert in technology, you can choose the tech news type template. Suppose you are experienced, or suppose you are experienced in bitcoin cryptocurrencies, you can have a look at this. Suppose you know about finance, bitcoin, ethereum, this is the blog magazine website about cryptocurrency bitcoin. You can easily check this website, lots of articles you have to put on for approve AdSense. You have to publish at least 10 to 12 articles, including 5 to 600 words at first, then you should apply for the AdSense. This is the bitcoin theme, and this is another classy magazine if you want to write about lifestyle. So let's look at the template gadget template includes all type of electronic devices. Suppose you just love using gadgets like audio gadgets, drones, mobile phones, smart homes accessories, gaming accessories, social networks, all these things. You can easily write about all these things in your blog. Even if you choose this template, you can easily start making affiliate marketing too, because this is not only a blogging site, this site will work as affiliate marketing too. Suppose you are Amazon, you have signed up in Amazon associate program, and you are just reviewing the drones, and you can make money from Google AdSense, number one, and also you can make money from Amazon, because the more people will buy from your article, if you are redirecting them to Amazon, the more commission you will earn. So this is the gadget based template. You can choose it, and if you have articles or if you have any query, you can just contact with me by sending me message in the comment section. I will create your website in a just single day. It will take only 5 to 6 hours to create the whole gadget website or this website for you, and I will show you some ideas on how to make money from blogging and how to make money from affiliate marketing and other networks. So if you choose this template, I will give the link of it. Just have a look at this and decide whether you are wondering to make money from website or not. So that's all today. Have a look at this website and just choose your own. And if I show you this is a transcribing smartwatch. You can write about it. In the sidebar there are lots of articles. So this website is totally attention grabbing website. I hope you can easily make money, as this is one of the most selling theme. Here you can add your own demo, I mean your name, your website, or a short intro. So if you want your website to be customized, or if you want this premium theme, I will give it to you totally free. I will provide you this theme and some premium plugins and set up your whole website. For this, just message me. The charge or the price is very low. Thank you.